Surma here with the AI Tour for Partners, and I've got Francois with me.
Hello, I'm Francois Rouxel. I am the cloud lead for Slalom Montreal.
Just first of all, thank you for being a partner with Microsoft.
Yeah.
So just kind of curious, we're talking a lot about AI. What do you think about in terms of using AI within your own company, kind of partner as a customer zero?
Using AI in a big company like Slalom, it could be a kind of a challenge at the beginning because you need to embrace the technology. You need to have everyone trained in AI because they need to use AI in their day-to-day. So it's kind of a culture change, and then you can scale. You need, of course, to embrace the technology and to be able to leverage this AI potential at its best. You need to have a strong data governance. So you need your AI to be able to access your data. If you want to do that, for sure, you will need to put in place a strong data governance in place. It will bring technical challenges for sure.
Right, it's technical, it's governance, it's culture, all of that together.
Exactly.
So one of the things you mentioned was skilling. How do you think about skilling with the pace of change with AI?
That's a good question because it's going so fast. The AI train has led the station already. And I can tell you, if you think it's moving fast, it's going to be moving faster in 6 months, and in 9 months, a lot faster again. So this is really important to keep the pace with AI. You need to first as I said before, you need to use the technology in your day-to-day. You need to be there each time. You need to leverage it, to understand how it works. Anyway, you don't have a choice because you will see in a very short future, we will have two kind of companies that leverage AI, that embrace the technology, and the other companies that will be left behind.
And that's a great point, that you have to use it. You can't just assume how it works.
Exactly. No. That's really important. This is why you need, when we talk about frontier firm, it's really important to understand that this culture change, it needs to start with the training. You need to have your people trained on AI. It's really important. And at every level, not only on the technical level, but also at the sales level.
So we talked about skilling. Yeah. So for us, that rolls up with specializations, designations, your ability to differentiate as a partner. How do you think about our partner program and specializations, designations?
That's cool. That's a really good point. So if we go back to training, that's really important. As I said, is a certification, So Microsoft, in that sense, are a very, very good partner because you provide a lot of voucher, for instance, if we need to pass certification. So this is key. This is the first step. Microsoft provide a lot of that kind of conference, for instance. This is very useful because you show what kind of tools Microsoft will provide in a short future to help this kind of transition.
Okay, great. Last thing, what do you think is kind of the biggest opportunity in front of you with your customers?
Oh, that's a really good question. I can see two things. The first thing is from an organizational standpoint. We can help the organization to transition if they want to become a frontier firm. So this is important. And two, from a technical perspective, they will need to rethink their infrastructure. They will need at some point to put in place some security because you don't want, for instance, your AI, your LLM to access sensitive data.
Well, again, thank you for your partnership.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time. Merci, Francois.
Merci.